Angeke ivule ezinye izikole eGauteng ngomsombuluko njengoba bekuhleliwe. Owengamele ezemfundo esifundazweni uPanyaza Lesufi ubambezele ukuvulwa kwezinye izikole eBronkhorstspruit emva kokuthi umfundi etholwe ukuthi une-COVID-19. ULesufi uthi bazoqinisekisa ukuthi ziphephile izikole kulendawo ngaphambi kokuba zivulwe. ULesufi udalule lokhu esithangamini sabezindaba ehambisana noNdunankulu David Makhura oveze ukuthi isifundazwe sayibambe ngakho ekulweni naleli gciwane.
Owengamele ezemfundo esifundazweni uPanyaza Lesufi uthi njengoba izikole ivulwa njengomsombuluko bazokwengeza abanye othisha kwezinye izikole.
We are bringing 3,000 additional teachers to support them. We call them teacher assistants because in this sector it's foreign to say that you are not going to touch a learner. Because there are some learners with special needs, you need to feed them. There are some learners that, especially learners with autism.
ULesufi uthi baxoxisana namabandla ehlukene ngodaba oluthinta ukukhonzela kwamabandla ezikoleni.
We are pleading with all our churches because majority of churches are utilizing our schools. We are pleading with all those churches that let's start discussions first to develop a protocol on how we are going to utilize our facilities before they can start worshiping in our schools.
Elandisa ngokwenziwa isifundazwe eGauteng ekulweni ne-COVID-19 uNdunankulu David Makhura udalule uhlelo lokuqiniswa kwamasosha omzimba ukunqanda ukusabalala kwegciwane.
Immunization is targeting those who are most vulnerable. We don't just immunize everybody. Firstly is the public health workers themselves, the elderly, the children, pregnant women and people who have chronic diseases, including those with HIV and AIDS.
Namanje isifundazwe iWestern Cape sisahamba phambili ngesibalo sabantu abahaqwe lolu bhubhane kube iGauteng ilandelwe iEastern Cape bese kulandela ezinye izifundazwe. Nasebantwini asebenqotshwe ilesifo iWestern Cape isahamba phambili njengoba bengama446 abantu ababulawe ilesifo. La eNingizimu Afrika bawu243 abantu abaneminyaka ephakathi kwe10 kuya kwe18 ubudala asebehaqwe lolu bhubhane. Iningi lalaba lifunda ugrade 7 okungelinye lama grades okulindeleka ukuthi abuyele esikoleni ngomsombuluko kanti bawu367 abaneminyaka ephakathi kwe15 kuya kwe19 ubudala abahaqwe lolu bhubhane. Laba ke iningi labo lifunda ugrade 12 naye ozobuyela esikoleni ngomsombuluko. Abantu abaneminyaka engama60 kuya kwe60 ubudala yibona ababulawa kakhulu ilesifo kanti sibonakala sishaya kakhulu kwabesifazane. NguCalvin Dludla weindaba zeSABC.